Hey everyone, this is Ayman, and today we're back with a new video for the stock trading simulator series. Today I'm going to be talking about a trade I have executed yesterday on X. It was a trend trade, and the reason I played this stock, first of all, is the daily chart. You could see that on the daily chart, X is on a strong uptrend. It is at all-time high. It is bull flagging for multiple days in a row, and on this day, 4 days ago, it closed as a hammer, made a new high, and for 2 days in a row, it held inside this range. You could tell that this looks like a 3 bar play, which is ready for a break. On 23rd, I didn't play it for one reason. The reason is that on the 22nd, it closed as a red candle, and I was afraid that, especially with the open down here, it could reject the highs and then maybe pull back. I mean, you could see that the trend, it is strong, but it's not so continuous, I'd say. It's just a couple of days pullback, a couple of days a pullback, a couple of days, and it could have been a pullback again. With it closing on the 23rd as a green candle, I was more long biased on it. And you could see here on the 60-minute chart a more clear picture. You could see that there is a level of support. The 22nd, I assume, yeah, around the 22nd and 21st. There it is around here, a resistance. And on the previous day, this resistance started acting as an ABCD pattern, started acting as support. So you have a bull flag around here or an ABCD pattern, whatever you wanna call it. This just tells me that this is a level of interest I want to watch, where a level that I am more long biased around. And you could play it both ways. You could either play to the long side closer to the level of support, or you could play to the long side at the break. Now let's go to the smaller time frames, the 1 minute chart and the 5 minute chart. Let's do it at 5 times speed for starters, and let's play it around here. So you can see this is the level we're interested at, and if you zoom out the 5 minute chart, actually you could see that even on the 5 minute chart on the previous day, it was holding this support. In fact, we could even increase the level of support slightly higher using the yesterday's channel and the channel that was in the pre-market and the channel that it's keep holding today. Now look at this, you can see that with every tick down, it ticks more up to the upside, which shows us some strength. That by itself is enough to show that this channel that was held yesterday is continuing to hold today, and we are most probably going to bounce out of this level. Are we sure about that? Definitely not. We could be right, we could be wrong, but putting all the pieces together, we see that the odds are more in our favor. Now, zooming it out slightly back again, you could see that this is yesterday's high. See, we broke it, we broke the channel, and that means that now there is nothing stopping us from continuing the uptrend. What you could look for after that is an ad. You know that market stages, they work like this: range, a break, a retest, previous resistance acting as support, and then a potential trend. So we had the range, the break, and now we're having the retest. You could see that every single time it goes down, it gets bought back up. Every single time it goes down, it gets bought back up, which shows us potential strength, potential continuation. Now, how long should we hold on to this one? I mentioned this on every single video. You could just simply, especially on stocks that are trending, especially on stocks where there is like literally no resistance, you could check the average true range. Check the average true range of the daily chart. And on X, I think the average true range is somewhere around $1.50, which tells us that an intraday move could be somewhere around $1.50, more or less. Because the stock is at all-time high, it could be more. I usually don't go for the extreme. I'll be going for 80% of the ATR. So with $1.50 ATR, you could start partialing maybe somewhere around or somewhere after $1.20. The lowest point is 35.80, so you could target the 37 level. Now let's just move it slightly forward just to see what's happening. It's still continuing. And look at this range. Some people are actually panicking when they see this. Oh, the stock is doing nothing. Maybe it will reverse. I just need to bail on it. Don't worry about it. This consolidation is happening around the previous resistance. Break, retest, previous support is acting as resistance. Oh, sorry, previous resistance is acting as support. we are more likely to continue the trend to the upside. What you could do after that is just simply start taking partials at your level or hold it for the full ATR. It just totally depends on you. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just feel free to write it down in the comment section. If you have any suggestions for the stock trading simulator, any indicator you want to add, any bugs you want to fix, let us know or email team@bearbletraders.com. If you are interested more in my trading style or you want to see more trades I have taken, you could follow me on Twitter. My ticker is at AmanBBT, at AmanBBT. You could message me there or tag me if you have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to help you all. Have a great day, everyone, and bye bye.